yogi says, yoga is a practice based on ancient Indian tradition that involves the body, mind, and spirit, and it means to unite. Its main goal is to create balance between the body, mind, and spirit. Practicing yoga helps a person become balanced, peaceful, and spiritually mature. It originated thousands of years ago in India and holds deep spiritual significance. Today, yoga is practiced worldwide, but many people limit their understanding of yoga to physical postures. Yoga postures are just one of the 8 parts of yoga. The 8 limbs described in the Patanjali Yoga Sutras are yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi. Practicing each of these limbs helps bring physical, mental, and spiritual balance to a person's life. The yogi says the true meaning of yoga is to understand the connection between nature and the divine, God. Connecting the body with nature and the soul with God is the essence of yoga. When a person connects their body with nature and their soul with the divine, they become completely balanced and peaceful. That's why it's essential to understand yoga not just as a physical practice, but also as a spiritual path. The yogi says, we will try to understand the principles of yoga in a simpler and clearer way through mathematics. To understand the relationship between mathematics and yoga, we can use mathematical operations as metaphors for the spiritual journey and a person's connection to divine consciousness. This principle expresses the different stages of yoga practice through mathematical equations. Mathematical symbols used in yoga. Addition, pause, represents the union of a person's body and mind, signifying the first step towards spiritual progress. Subtraction represents deviation and imbalance, leading to spiritual stagnation and negative consequences. Division represents partial deviation or imbalance, resulting in dissatisfaction due to limited spiritual growth. Multiplication, X, represents an increase in spiritual power and energy, enabling a person to achieve deep alignment with the divine consciousness and nature, leading to empowerment. The basic equation, 3 plus 6 set 9. Number 3 is individual you. Here, 3 represents the starting point of a person's physical, mental, and spiritual state. This is the initial state of your soul, where your consciousness and ego are active. Number 6 represents nature, the world. 6 represents the laws of the universe and the forces of nature. It symbolizes the connection with the external world and all natural powers. Number 9 represents consciousness, God, or higher self. 9 represents the divine consciousness, or God, through which the entire universe and all beings are connected in unity. Explanation. The equation 3 plus 6 is 9 shows that when an individual 3 aligns themselves with nature, 6 they achieve unity with the divine consciousness. 9. This represents spiritual progress and a state of permanence and unity with divine consciousness. Parallel and perpendicular lines and mathematical symbols. From a mathematical perspective, when we consider parallel and perpendicular lines, they act as symbols for different aspects of yoga practice. Parallel line represents individual with number 3. This line represents your physical and mental state and ego. It guides your relationship with the world. Perpendicular line represents nature with number 6. This line represents the forces of the universe and the laws of nature. When these two lines intersect, they create a plus sign, which signifies the union and unity of the individual with nature. This symbolizes the first step of yoga, which establishes balance and harmony between between body, mind, and spirit. Losing the perpendicular line, deviation. If a person loses their connection with nature, the equation 3 plus 6 transforms into division, 3, 6, or subtraction, 3, 6. If individual lost the perpendicular line, but still he has the dot of this line, it make division sign. Then 3 plus 6 became 3 or 6. Here, division represents partial deviation. In this case, he has still in positive result, but partial. Almost 99% people are in this condition, where the individual does not fully experience the connection with nature. This leads to spiritual imbalance and incomplete fulfillment. If individual lost the perpendicular line completely, then the 3 plus 6 become 3 to 6, which gives negative result. This represents complete deviation and imbalance, where the individual loses their entire connection with nature, and this creates chaos and spiritual crisis and imbalance in their lives. These equations remind us that if we neglect our connection with nature and divine consciousness, we will remain spiritually imbalanced and incomplete. Restoring the connection, 3 plus 6 equals 9. When an individual re-establishes their connection with nature, the equation 3 plus 6 equals 9 applies again. This state signifies the individual's spiritual progress and the restoration of physical, mental, and spiritual balance. Here, the individual realigns themselves with nature and consciousness and progresses on the journey of enlightenment. Shifting the plus sign to multiplication sign, 3 is 6 for 18. When the connection between the individual and nature strengthens, at that time, the individual has capacity to change the angle of plus sign in 45°. Then the sign became multiplication sign, x. Now the equation become 3x 6 18. Here, the multiplication sign represents spiritual energy and a deep connection with nature. This shows the intensity and depth of spiritual progress, where the connection between the individual and nature becomes powerful. Incorporating consciousness, 3 plus 6 plus 9, here 18. Now, incorporating consciousness, the equation 3 plus 6 plus 9 equals 18. Here, by including consciousness, 9, the value of the equation increases rapidly, and this signifies a state of spiritual maturity and enlightenment. At this stage, the individual is fully aligned with nature and divine consciousness. Achieving the highest potential, 3x, 6x, 9, 1:2, the final stage when there is complete unity of the individual, nature, and consciousness. The equation 3 plus 6 plus 9 equals 18 become 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 9 equals 162. This state signifies complete spiritual attainment and complete unity with the divine. Here, the individual becomes one with the universe, merging with the divine and becoming a part of the unity of the entire cosmos. The yogi says this mathematical principle explains the entire process and experience of yoga in a clear and simple way. Yoga helps establish complete unity with the divine consciousness by balancing the body, mind, and spirit. Through mathematical operations, we can understand the unity and wholeness of the different stages of yoga. This principle transforms the purpose of yoga into enlightenment and unity with the divine. Thank you for watching the video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.